Students, our next topic is Harappan seals. All right, Harappan people they used to do the trade, and in trade they use these Harappan seals. All right, seals and sealings were used to facilitate long distance communication. Okay, when they have to export something, so what they used to do, they used to tie the mouth of the bag. All right, and on the knot they used to just affix some wet clay on which one or more seals were pressed. All right, and the sealing also conveyed the identity of sender. That means कौन भेज रहा है तो उसका नाम उस पे लिखा होता था. ऑलराइट, हरप्पन सील्स के ऊपर. Now our next topic is features of the Harappan script. Students, Harappan script is yet not deciphered till now. Alright, अगर ये हरप्पन स्क्रिप्ट अगर डेसिफर हो जाता then many things we able to know about the Harappan civilization. Right, scripts are depicted on seals. Where we used to find the script? On seals, copper tools, after that rims of jars, copper and terracotta tablets, jewelry, bone rods, and an ancient signboard. Animal motifs used in the objects for those who could not read. That means those who are not literate. Okay, so for them they use the symbols. What type of symbols? Animal motifs. Right. Script contains signs between 375 and 400. Look, that जो हरप्पन स्क्रिप्ट जो थी, that was pictographic, not alphabet. Okay, and how many signs were there? 375 to 400 signs, and longest script containing about 26 signs. All right, and Harappan script was pictographic, not alphabet. Yes, it's not alphabetic, and they used to write it from right to left. We used to write from left to right, but they used to write, Harappan people, they used to write it from right to left. Alright, now also our archaeologists, they were trying to decipher the script, because if they decipher it, that many things can able to know for the Harappan script. But the thing is that कुछ सील्स में से कुछ पिक्चर्स जो है या कुछ साइंस जो है that was not there. So for that reason it's very difficult for the archaeologists to decipher the Harappan script, and for that reason we used to call it as a that Harappan script is an enigmatic script. All right, students, if you face any problem in this topic, please call me. You are free to call me at any time. And students, please go through this topic properly, because I am going to give this chapter in your PT1. All right, and whatever worksheets I will give to you, do it as quickly as possible and show it to me. Don't show it in the next day. On the same day you show it to me. And yes, we'll do the conference call 6 o'clock Monday. Okay, 6 p.m. Monday. All right, thank you, students.